top-of-the-line powerful BMW motorcycle for 2023 is the S1000R, which is made for riders who value speed and agility. It has a potent 999cc engines with 165 horsepower and 84 pound-feet of torque, which is mated to a 6-speed gearbox with a quickshifter for seamless gear changes. These motorcycles include an adjustable suspension system and a lightweight frames that make for excellent handling and steadiness at high speeds. Full LED lighting, a 6.5-inch TFT screen with built-in connection, and a variety of driving modes to accommodate diverse preferences and riding circumstances are all incorporated in the technical features. The S1000R provides a supportive and athletic riding posture, good wind protection given the motorcycle's design, and several cutting-edge cyclist aids including traction controls and ABS brakes during turns. It is a fantastic option for those that need the best technologies and performance from their roadster motorbike. In terms of this bike design, it holds up pretty well against other European motorbike companies like Ducati and KTM. The S1000R has two front rotors that measure 320 mm each with 4-piston Hayes radial calipers, while the rear rotors measure 265 mm and have 2-piston floating calipers. Despite its extremely sporting function, there is no radial pump. Instead, in keeping with BMW tradition, a steel braiding hose is used. The ABS system is only partially integrated, with a pedal only activating at the back and a lever controlling the front braking. The two brake circuits, as is customary for BMW, are separate. An integral role is accomplished by the ABS pump, which is only activated when the ignition is turned on. When the motorcycle is tilted, the ABS Pro anti-lock brakes with rear wheel lift controls and cornering functions minimizes the initial stopping power at the front to lessen the impact of abruptly applying the front brake when corners. Its actions can be deactivated or limited to the front wheels exclusively, and its behavior can alter depending on its drive style. Removable anti-skid systems, DTC, dynamic traction controls. This accounts for the bicycle's inclination angle. HSC, hill start controls, is a mechanism that enables you to start your motorcycle more easily on an uphill while keeping it stopped by firmly pushing the braking lever. First gear speed limitation for the pit lane. Once activated through options and the revs are set to be within 3,500 and 8,000 revolutions per minute, pushing the start button causes engines to run at the predetermined speed even with the throttle opened all the way. MSR, Motor Schleppmoment Regelung, or engine's braking adjustments, is a system that automatically regulates the engine brake, decreasing it, i.e., accelerate, in the case of abrupt downshifts to avoid rear wheel sliding. The emergency stopping feature of DBC, Dynamic Brakes Controller, tightens the forgotten throttle range and raises the pressure on the backstop, boosting stability and braking distances. HSC Pro is an advanced hill start assistance that may be set up to engage automatically when the motorcycle is stopped and brakes, requiring just light pedal pressure. Dynamic Dampening Controls, DDC, is a self-adaptive suspension technology that modifies the suspension extension exhaust continuously corresponding on the driving environment and route. The electronic preload adjustments for the rider, riders with bags, and the driver with passengers is possible when the motorbike is stationary. This system differs from the DESA that BMW typically includes in that all the suspension's characteristics, including preload plus extension, compression dumps, may be customized according to the rider's preference. With Shift Assistant Pro, you can often change ratios without using the clutch, including while using the auto blipper. The remaining electronics aids are affected by driver mode selection and adjust to each other in various riding scenarios, but only if DDC is present. Two options for road or dynamic suspensions are perpetually selectable in all riding styles.